You want cinnamon rolls?
No.
Taco Bell?
It's like a little lift kit drive-through.
I like it.
So this is Drew's truck. Drew is Logan's wife, fiance, girlfriend, wife. I don't remember how long ago they made this truck. Yeah, it's a very nice truck. I was just inside it revving it, but I didn't have my phone, so I couldn't show you guys. Who said lifted trucks can't tow a trailer?
Literally everybody.
Idiots. Wow. We're going to get Gabe's frame for the 12 valve. Also follow my TikTok, Yak Attack 6.0, because I'm bored.
It didn't help, it made it worse.
It is 2 in the morning. And we're at the gas station to film and edit. Yeah, sometimes gas stations are a great place to take photos because of the lighting. If you have a gas station with the snazzy lighting. And now I am participating and helping him film the edit. Look at him run. Okay, I wanted to give you guys like some quick info about Gabe's powder coat. I'm sure he's talking about it on his channel, but if you haven't seen mine first, I'm gonna give you some info. So obviously cameras are terrible at picking up color. Actually my camera, it looks more like red, and Gabe's camera, it looks more purple. We have different phones. Right now it looks brown to me in this lighting. But this is called Burgundy Rose from Prismatic Powders. I can't wait to see this hit the sun. Hi!
Oh, you.
Yeah, just so. Do you like it, puppies? They're like, no. She's scared of the trailer. Look at it, she's like, what is that? Do you like it?
Yeah.
That doesn't sound very...
It's okay.
Okay, so over there is what it looks like kind of in yellow lighting, and then over here is, this is the weather right now. I don't really know, cloudy weather. Yeah, if you guys are ever able to see this in person, it's so pretty. It looks brown on the camera, which is really disappointing actually, but so pretty. Everyone's telling Gabe that it's purple, but in a lot of lighting, It's a little bit more red. I'm pretty sure burgundy is red and purple together anyways, so. But yeah, just one step closer to finishing his build. Beautiful. I would have given you guys a cold start today, but Gabe already did it. And I don't think he recorded it, but you can kind of see the purple hue here a little bit. It's already dirty. It's okay. Nothing we own stays clean. If you're a real one, you know that. Me and Samaya were making sugar cookies last night, and we made this. It doesn't come with, we kind of did that ourselves. But isn't this so cute? A lot of them broke. So this is the 12 valve. Did you find the wrapping paper? Did you find it? Oh boy. Get it, get it. Oh my goodness. Get it. Ow! And that's why presents go there, not under the tree. Right? Right? She's now moved on to the wrapping paper that was there. Ma'am. This is the This is actual wrapping paper. This isn't even the... Oh, I'm not gonna hit you. Here, okay, you can have it. It's okay. You may be wondering why I'm always in my passenger seat, and well, Gabe gets like motion sick if he's not the one driving. I think he just likes to drive. No, I'm kidding. I believe him. That and I get bored driving. It's so embarrassing being like a truck girl, and like I hate driving. Like my truck's therapeutic to drive. Like if I'm upset or mad about something, I'll go and drive around. But other than that, I'd rather just not drive. I've always been like that. Like I used to have a car. I used to get in trouble all the time. Me and Gabe have been dating for almost 4 years, and we started dating before we even had our license. But I used to let Gabe drive my car, and my mom would get mad at me. Right?
Right.
There?
Right there. I don't like that far in the background.
Yeah, if you want to move it again.
I'm gonna move it again.
Wow. I wonder if I can... No way. That is so cool. We have a vision, obviously. It's just figuring out the best angle. I swear to God. Alright, so that is the end of my video. If you happen to see mine before Gabe's, doubt it, make sure you head over to his channel. He's got an edit of the frame and a couple other stuff. So yeah, it wouldn't hurt. Sometimes our content is a little bit the same because we're together all the time, but I do think our styles of YouTubing is different. So yeah, you're getting different content, even though it's the same content. Mine this time was a little bit more of a vloggy style. Some of you guys said you preferred that in one of my last videos. But yeah, head over to his channel, like and subscribe to mine, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Weep weep!